How to link bank account on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can link your bank account on Cash App, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to link your bank account on Cash App, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then launch the Cash App on your phone. Once you launch Cash App on your phone, what you want to do is just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, scroll down and then just look for this option called linked banks, as you can find here, and then just tap on it. Once you go to this option called linked banks, all you have to do is just select this option called linked debit card. So just make sure to tap the linked debit card option here. Now in case you don't have a debit card of your bank, you can also just select this option called no card and then just tap on no card option. Now once you tap on no card option, it will just take you to the page where you can simply enter your bank account details. So as you can see, it says link your bank account. So tap on the continue button over here and then make sure to just choose on which bank account you have. If you're on the US or the UK, just select a specific bank account, log into that bank's online banking account, and then your Cash App account will be linked to your bank account. So this way you can link your bank account to Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.